Welcome to Software Designs. Today we are at it again. Um, how to get inspirations as a designer. Most of my colleagues or my friends will ask me how do you get your inspirations to design? How do you eh, how do you come about your creativity? But it's very simple. Let's first go to it. You go to your Chrome here, tap when it opens, and then you come here, type. I already have my Pinterest here. Click on Pinterest, and then when Pinterest open, let's say you want to design a flyer for a party, or let's say a dinner party. You can type here dinner dinner party flyer. Click enter, and then a dinner party flyer. There are different flyers like this. Yes, sir. Sir, come inside though.